Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can get cheaper Mint Mobile services and how the whole process works. So first thing first, as you can see, this is the most important thing, is that hopping a new customers. So you can port your phone number to service like Google Voice or cheap prepaid provider like Visible for 30 to 90 days to become eligible for new user 3-month promos again. So this is first thing, like when I'm going to click here shop plans. This is something that you can actually do right here, and we have the $15 off any 3-month plan. So, and you see right here all unlimited plans like 50% off, and that's something like insane, right? So this is something that you can actually check out for yourself and test out. This first thing. Also 12-month commitment. So if you're gonna renew for 12 months rather than 3 to 6, you can get better base price. Also referral credits, if it's even possible right now. So refer friends and family to earn like $45 in credit per person. So this is another thing that you can try to do. And when we're gonna go even further, you're gonna have Costco offers. So purchase like 12-month plans at Costco, which often include bonuses or discounts, or even like the support or the customer retention. So we can even ask like if it's possible. Here and right here they're referring the friends here. So as you can see, the Mint Mobile share referral link, right? Once your friend gets a referral link, they can sign up for Mint and get their $15 credit too. And refer a friend, get $45. Your friend escapes overpriced wireless, you pocket some renewal credit. It's a win-win. So this is something that you can actually do, and you can have like $45 credit earned this year. And this is something that you can actually do and maybe like good for you. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day.